Alright, so here's the maiden voyage of the Yi HD dash cam. Field of vision is considerably greater than the old one that I had. It's a $19 dash cam from Walmart. This is a $47 dash cam from Amazon. And I can really appreciate the wider field of view. Some I've seen complain that it was too wide, but actually it's going to be beneficial to you. So the nighttime sensitivity appears to be satisfactory compared to the very cheap one that I had. The display is considerably better. If the video looks anything like what I see it's on the dash cam itself right now on the display, I should be more than pleased. Yeah, you can see everything. So I tried to get the dash cam to boot up with a 4 GB class 4 SD card and it would not go. Ended up I had to go to Walmart to get a minimum of an 8 GB, a minimum class 10 MicroSD card, and then it would boot up. I went ahead and got a 32 gig MicroSD card. It was $17.95 or something. But that's okay. The larger the memory card, the more video can be stored for your driving. I'm not sure. Let me angle this up a little bit more. I think that'll be fine. Right, speed now 55. Pretty impressed already. I haven't even seen the video just on the computer. I'll check here for the UPS truck for a 2-second roll. 1/1000, 2/1, and not quite. So I need to back off a little bit. 1/1000, 2/1000. That's about 2 seconds. And that's where you always want to be. Now all I need to do is get a dash cam for the back so I can record the idiots that are tailgating. Blinkers on, decelerate. Oh my, man. It shows the road really good. That was one of my concerns with some of the videos that I saw on YouTube reviewing the nighttime recording capability of it. It looks like it's doing just fine. Got one coming in behind me and then one in front of me. One of the other things about the cheap dash cam that I got before is, I mean, it served its purpose. I got several close call videos on there, and but the audio on the dash cam was pretty much garbage. I mean, you really could not even understand what was being said, what was going on. So to save recording space, I just disabled the audio. So when I get to the house, I'll check the audio quality on this and see how well it does. I'm very hopeful. As I speak now, I'm speaking basically into the windshield, and my voice is elevated somewhat, almost as if you were in a little bit of a noisy room, but my Jeep's a little bit noisy too, so we'll see how this works out. I really would like to have had a GPS that had or GPS, dash cam that had GPS and would show your speed and location on it. But those get kind of expensive for the money. 47 bucks for the Yi. I just really wanted a better quality dash cam that had better quality video. That I would be more satisfied with than all the other bells and whistles. The speed now is 35 in the 35 zone. Not really saying a whole lot. There's not a lot to say. I did see on the camera the headlights are pretty brilliant. The areas that are illuminated by the street lights, I can see pretty good with my naked eye, but I'm not real sure what the dash cam's going to show. Of course, it's a lot to ask of any dash cam or any sensor to replicate what the human eye sees. I've got a $500 Nikon at the house. It still doesn't quite have the depth of detail, the definition and the contrast that the human eye can see. Everything's lit up really good there. So the edge of my hood, I should see the car in front of me, their tires making contact with the pavement over the front of my hood. This tells me that checking my cell phone while I'm here. That tells me I've got room to get around this vehicle in front of me in case it stalls, or if I have a situation where I need to make an emergency evasive maneuver, such as someone, for example, wanting to carjack me. I can get around this vehicle in a hurry. If I got too close, I wouldn't be able to negotiate around the vehicle. I'd be trapped in, and that's not where I want to be in an emergency. Well, yeah, I'm pretty excited about seeing what the video looks like on the computer. I need to get one for my daughter's car too. She was recently in an accident where she got a ticket